Huh? Amigos, quick! You're not gonna believe this. Huh? What's here? I have no idea. What are you up to this time? I know that Roland. I think you might want you guys to see this. And my teammate Verstappen. What blazing hell were you doing this time? What have you done this time, Perez? Mi amigos, present to you this. Is it just me, or is Verstappen's car look that bigger? Yeah, and my car does not look that big. In fact, it is kind of cool though. Anyway, guys, I can't believe I need this. Verstappen, say hello to your new body. My new body. Dude, just go up. You can climb. Stop it! Us open wheel Red Bulls do not climb glass of this car. I definitely love that Perez, but a little bit 2022. Hey, my car does not look like me. It looks like you, but a number one. But the anime guy looks like you. Please. As long as I'm here, nothing will never distract me. There's an anime car on my side of the car. What? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Look at this. Look at this. What did they put my body in? In anime? That's stupid stuff. Do you know what I mean? I said, do you know what I mean? Please. Please. Look at this. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at this. Look at this hair. My hair does not look like that. It's never blue. It's always been blackly black. Don't you get it? Blackity black. Huh? Nothing. Still nothing. Okay, fine. Then I won't do it. Then I will. Look at him. He's climbing. I don't believe it. I thought F1 cars could never climb this high. I'm about to get it. One car for me. Here I come. Perfect. Dude, the bus is right next to us. What were you thinking? I'm from the Netherlands. I am Dutch. Koetjes. But my number one greater than me though than the 20 with the big line with the bullet in it. Oh, that is my car. A car that raced last year. Yeah, I think. Then what are you waiting for? Then let's unbox it. Dude, to an F1 car, you can't have hands. I know what I'm trying to do. Just put the tape with your front wing. Front wing? It'll never get do that. Or just use a wheel. That'll be good. Okay. Front, the back. Don't be such a dramatic queen. Yes! Oh, wow. You really did it. Good amigo, dude. I got the tape. And now, let's try to unbox this transporter. Well, that was easier than I thought. Perfect! This card is mine, losers. You're looking at those. Right there. But what are we waiting for? Let's take this glass plane out of here. 2 hours later. I done it. Let's see how this prepares to me. You okay, man? Oh, yes, I'm in the new race car. Wow, shit. So what are you waiting for? Go in it and fly. Why? But there's so many glass. How am I supposed to get in this thing when I'm going to fly into space? I'm gonna be flying into space like hell. Why are we gonna do this? Do this piece of trash. What's wrong with it? Hell yeah! Yes! Yeah! And after 10 seconds. Let's see how you bozos handle these two. You mean free? You know, I get it. Where's Rowdy? Yeah, where is he now? No. I became a 4th ex-champion, I think. And that big man is me. With the enemy thing on my head. Dude, that's you. Mi amigo. That's me in that box. Nah. Okay, I'm going in. Bring. Well, nuts. Okay, everyone, we're Thomas and Gang here. I just got some new cars, and now, most importantly, Roddy McQueen has a new body. Which is the Air Jones car, I guess. But anyway, let's take out the third car. Is it the first one? I already got up. I messed up and stuff. I heard that. Hey, would you stop? And now it's time to unbox the second. 12 minutes later. Now we got the glass out. Now it's time to take off this case. And now it's time to take out this car. 12 minutes later. Okay, now that the car is out, now it's time for a little detail. The front wing was very nice in 2022. Number 1 in the sponsors, and now the Pirelli 150 is right there right next to the Arctic Wolf, I think. Well, I think Pirelli 150 is over, so let's get to the next one. The number 1 is super easy, so like, it's kind of like it's reserved for number 1 champions, I guess. Let's take on the side. Now it's time for the sponsor, like the Oracle logo right next to the Red Bull and the Honda. So it's super cool. The Emerald and HD and HP Enterprise and Simmons logos goes right next to the Oracle logo, which is kind of big, I guess. The car is 120 per scale, actually, but no mind, I can take it to my exhibit plan for the Hall of Legends, I guess. So I guess to start right now. Next we have the Benton and the stubborn enemy logo right next to it, because it's so much enemy. So guess up next is the Raj and Puma logo, because 2 of them on the sides and they're super cool looking. And next to the Tizo logo, I guess. But it's the Order logo because it's so big, I guess. We have the rear wing, the Tizo logo and the Mobile One logo, and the BT logo right next to it. Same as the front wing, and the sides right next to the enemy. Verstappen. And there's the Honda logo and the number 1 exactly, because it's reserved for champions. Again, I guess. So like The Honda is the power unit for Red Bull.